and they are done no me I can't watch them. So engagement, the best man can say, is one of the things that at the ministry level, no, young family agro, yeah, boy, home what they say, this in your boy, I'm a deep panel do no, a cheer, and almost so a boy, I'm yet to 2 bonnies.
Kabori, wakasa na behwe de ministry na ya. Ministry no bon ho modern pa. Eso Kabori, obi be say, be bi ejina ni ejina ye o.
Obedi, okase ba bi ejina ni ejina. Ebi ada be ne wa anya adwene.
Dientra.
Yes. You no say dey panel there. But make me can say woni watie fo nyina nkra say. But the end is not a young in 777 Brediasa 2024 December 31st, and now at 5th January 2025. There is dinner for any business, Jimra Forest, Jimra Extension, Asao Hills, Offense Shelter Bed, any quiet break will be a can then Nigana Hobby, no one Galamsey for them. We could not make entry. Today, out of a Jumadinti. That quadrillion has been repossessed to the state. Forest Commission to look at 1 million at Juma Sabi or Pra. And I mean, we give you anything in the farm. OSHA 2024 stability data. Now, when you compare near some stability data, especially in areas where you did SOMPA FABOTCHIE. Then clearly, the Babia need to view. Now, the issue Amanzule, actually, when you were here for 2024, River Amanzule, one Lambele. Uchemwa, I sent Kalano, yeah, to the norm because we are telling yes, Coco.
Yeah.
I mean, say, pick up. And now we know can say River Amanzule. Who do on that? Oh, you are using all the body at the one. Yes, sure, say, ye. And now, River Oura, I want the similar for him and so now, Bumway, they better say, what do I for you now? So, yes, opening us here. That your mind of person you know what here. But Uncle and Simon say, ya trouble be a need to know. Now, near my pass, I see a thing to say a far. You think I go up on the moon. Sabi, sir, there is a by your new say, if you think I'll pay now or back on one war, I could have a brown hair and so good our young policies will take time to have full effect. I don't see any more social up entire by a cheat, than the session and check. Soon transfer a person who we have a tear, we have a feeling in I have
Minim say winning by issue now about to Jana as a ministry, sir Maswatiana.
On the issue of a water issue?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. We are reliably informed. I don't know, make enough. There is a need for us to intensify and sustain and strategies, Now, you're widening your scope. Just yesterday, let me use this platform to break the news. Even Tibwa, I want central region. As I said,
SOMPA FM.
Ongoing bleeding now, we are able to stop it as soon as possible.
Would you please so breaking news now what they my young no. Me va say studio bi o me.
Let me say if it is bleeding, say or happen that so coso our central region, nipa bi na that so tuo entina when the phone so near the area or how next last night they are beefing up the security strength when it comes to Naimos. I want central regional Eberhaboa and my complement here. Widen our scope of operation, widen our scope of monitoring, and we'll make sure that whoever is found culpable, no, they be clamped on down. Nipa at this year and what vintage mantem no, or no atini anya supano. Now the Yakachika will say, Quanta dear far, opening your Chicago.
Okay.
We had a lot of strategies, but Sami Colony Assem. Hey, there. Some penny and Oshia, Mons and Jeff 1 years. boy and of Bassa, or did you? Based on common in the finance minister do of Kukuamu. Sir, I fear I may see more Masicano. Maybe I never bray where I say, won't make them. A banner, sir, a top war. I mean, this is the player. By now, I think fully implementation. Sami Conti, half no quarter implementation. Yet in a trim, some of Susanswa. Only Ghana 4 in our say in a woman. Get to me, Uncle.
Kabori, reason mainly why I have fraud and say, your Kaisa, your mum paying a ball, a year emrantia, a Ghana hand who was a idea, Uncle Bepe or Bepe concessions be at the amount more mining areas. So they be almost no, they can work within the confines of the mining areas and not to go out to cause mayhem to our forests. And yes, you are. Yes, no more. And if you understand, it's saying no. Akwakusi saying that is the first one, and then secondly, minka this year ya dear. Wa brana helicopter. Every Ghana, every ayen kran ha elko boase. And konya akwensia no. Na aye butaye binti ni dwumadie binti. Community mining luncheon. Na community mining, you know, launching activities, we know it's been done. When is it going to start?
Mama, I say, so it's a Mizano, you know, the battery at the Chronoa. So, say, concession of large scale mining companies and Penny Boss say, Adiachi, Chrono, Branchiados, your Chrome, Yahu here. Sir, large scale mining companies or mining more quapam. Adam was sent Tiasia, Clatadin, Tiasia, Pomosia. Almost all the mineralized areas in the mining community, they are more. I have to say, didn't not buying, not a buying repackaging the yet of cooperative mining. Now, Mantia and Mabara, and was a mining community, almost any word one word, Yanni. Opening us here. As I'm just saying, the fancy beyond Puamu obeyed the and Pumudia. I didn't see and I'm fancy Asante in the Bonja. Anyone who has physical work was wrong, they won't do this alcohol. We must not bury our heads in the sun like the ostrich. One must survive. One must survive.
All right.
I don't see that is any debris. We don't can say cooperative mining engagement. We have about 70 mining communities. I engage you more. Oko mining company to say Nimont Ghana. Kobe to send Kasemu. Kobe to say Kenya say. Adam Miami Nimont Ghana Mayan Sasia. Yadeba Bay Cooperative. Oko by bit of one thing in bottom. Areas for us. Yadi ever said you.
Many Kabori, as a line, Chessy, Anka Ujide Ye Mamia, Cababwapao. Chessy, Anka Ujide Ye Mamia, Cababwapao. As I said, Muya Pa. Kabori.
Me pato ti said na mekano. Mining companies I can send me bread you here. Ayo yo a. And then one more mine say send me bread. Yadi EBS efforts. Now me say ko Western Regional. Adamus Resources. Telekobo Kazo Anya ene bomo koleni areas bi. Hodina Adamus Resources amaya asasi ni no kwa dey omo mine outfit omo dia maya. Ede ba be cooperative mine ni bi. Ade ama won mo. Oba amansi a yedi national mines. Any large scale mining company who moves on me at time for is coming over.
All right.
It's coming over through this strategic initiative. The one man, mine in India, empower how many chrono, then for those who may be now offer them to a perfect. Preparing a good platform for artisanal mines in this country, empower how we are. emre Omagana.
Minia Kabori, Mamina, se pass na we Oma Hokwama, and Odin Komo. God bless you. And we want to wish the ministry well. Why? You actually about senior more marketing in our mind. Yeah, all right. Kabori, the deputy spokesperson for the Ministry of Land and Natural Resources, and Alton and Kase Menono Edin Komodo. Echi from Patrol Yedan Wabasisia.
Techimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuniama Panina Swabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front and Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma, sorry, Dino, and that's a backsword Nidia Nimshe.
Property Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker.
Sabunkum so. Ehona wo behu ye. Fred 0540-311-311. 0540-311-311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman ye sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yenum nsane e fadwen. Ne e fadwen ampa. Say na nim se brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye adru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bo. Enti obi onum bie no. Abrebia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yin so ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama. Enti ba bia wo ne na DHC e na aframa na ya kama sa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a. Wo ko pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to. T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a o ma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu. Eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi ejedi nkratwe atom.
Sompa achedie
2025.
Yaba. Bible say, nyame sompa pani say, ubi kwa unyanka, eni erisia mobu. Enuti na sompa 93.1 kumase.
Sompa 106.1 Techiman.
90.7 Enkransa.
101.1 Takwa.
98.9 Sunyane.
Ana Sompa 106.5 Accra.
Ya kabomu, se bronye, yebema enisia, eni ekranfo, edidi, na yenkuwa yetini, ajise ube buayen.
Enti say ya nwa emmo tin tomatoes ntade empaboa ye bia wa hyedada wonsan ehia enye ntade dada na emom de yebetime de ya che amano ye monfa meboa yen ne yefa mamobrofo ekunafo enyanka ne ewusia
ebusuafo yamfa ye hunhyem na propose prempa oboadu ponko mu yenyankopon obeyiye wiye sompa achede ekunafo ene enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi say yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598559802 meetimu biem 0598559802 ediya waso yetara one media
anasa blessed foster
branya bosome ni beboja trada na dia mode dom ye no ye dia ma ekunafo yi mu amu ye bi afie twemu no emu adanse die die mu amu nim sompa achede
2025 yaba
to me chenya oba ini peche mu ana dio bedachi nanso ubitimi abwana manenya pomodin free ni mofrase Yamvita ye de milk papa bi ni nutrivi aye ye nkwada ediane a eye de na ahode a ewo mu no bo mofra pomodin anio impeni fosweni chopa mawobano apomodin free ni mofrase Yamvita gumo do bebre Yamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA agi ejedi yinkrato yatum.
The report of attacks on a team from the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat, a task force which we all know has been established to combat illegal mining activities in the country, is most worrying. Also worrying is the fact that the attack was allegedly incited by one of our own, the Member of Parliament for Asitifi North constituency,
Sompa FM,
Honorable Ebenezer Kwekuado, who further ropes in a senior member of this House, Honorable Collins Dauda. While I'm yet to be fully briefed on the matter, I want to take this opportunity to condemn in no uncertain terms the attack on the team of security officers who have been assigned to help deal with the menace of Galamsey, which has to be dealt with robustly. I have therefore instructed the Office of the Clerk and the Legal Services Office to provide all the needed support to the investigation by the Ghana Police Service within the framework of the 1992 Constitution, the laws of this country, and the standing orders of the House.
Okay, until 1 year actually,
based on the negotiations that went on, and based on the best security strategy to calm down the situation, that was the bargaining price. But said the damn penny no. It's only a lot of things is ongoing in the coming days. Will bring those people back to book. Na Omana fan to my prefer.
Minya Kabori, yeah, but I was say, but answer it, baby Jama, crack. Now, yeah, show videos, no, now, who say, be moving kind, KBA woman. Was there? Yeah, because then who said,
there have been several attempts, not just at video more, and there have been several attempts in the last week, Grano, or that forest. You do Yankophobia, Massy Center, and national security. You do an omoko term 1 million Ghana cedis. Ever two of them, Munjina Monsanko. The Naimons team took the money, recorded it as an exhibit, and arrested those guys. There have been several instances where Chinese people approach and then offer dollars. They take the money, arrest those Chinese people. This is the difference. The difference is that a group of security officers laying their life and everything to the success of this country say, and yes, so and that is why I think say you never see a support at time now Mosachi. Now Muku and Sebi, Papa Sopa, Nananya Numode, and you Muntia.
Yo, Kabori, my end say, but one question people are asking in the comment section is say, can the NDC government led by John Mahama, can they win the fight against Galamsey?
John Mahama will not win this fight for fame or for vindication. John Mahama strives to do all his best to bequeath an environment that is sustainable, an environment cloud with a greener forest, an environment with clear water system to the generation yet unborn. Sa esano de Mahama, Romampeni Mama Nediani, but I know no one talker. And let it not be the NDC fight. Let it be the Ghanaian community fight. As far as your person agent su and near Tiamayama, Naja quite Britway Habamuna Mayamana dear. Also be adding Hussein. And that is why there's some permanent platform at Tua. Ye didn't come when you know, I ain't check a sear at the amount Macanina. Obikurado, I don't pop this and come up with the Akea. No winning common, Obina, Sacra for San yesterday, a certain penning for. So beyond the criticism and the pressure that comes to government, you know, in Kakwasi, they do a puppet, you know, a Disimaka Kirabini, preaching about environmental sustainability. A cassette Galamsey. Samson and Muslimi Kuno, beyond the criticism and pressure about Mano, in Kajuma, Danudrua, Nayan Suedi, Juma puppet, you know, here they are both. Galamsey would do not cranka. Or mining in our fan to a pamphlet. See, I didn't know they put to us you. They did you. See, I did few. See, I didn't fear any bit to us here. Young who say you to us here and concern but beam. Now I am fast with the amount mining in. This is the interest, and this is where we are driving at.
Mahmoud Kabori, my end was in the way, say, although time not from me and I'm anyway didn't come, but we want to wish you all the best, especially 9. I wish for Kabori now, what you say, now you know, it didn't come on, no, but an MPC, I will feed you more. But before I'm a calling channel, I have one birthday wish to do, and today, Pato, the Lord's Prayer, you're real. There be I was here bomb pie no. Debbie. Pine there I was here. But anytime you have a bonum, we be an amisu.
And you know what you say, pal?
Yeah.
Me who say
anytime you are just say, you know.
A cow will be now.
You see, way back into times. But trouble you mean in Musa. But trouble you. Me am in kwa sorry. Me am in Kobe. Me just a media and no answer my sorry in the medid mada.
Oh, sir.
Mammy to me frame. Hey, de la unkwa sorry. Unko pempa embo. Zuma jai.
Omo konenko.
Hey, me see me mammy be. One of the to be shut up by fie. Abochinere kwesi ada ye kwa sorry. Until sana me back ra. Let me see sorry them. I be some 15 years old.
Wow.
Aye. Because of abamububia. Me frame we kwan bia obidi me faso. E mama bambuye.
Kafra.
Ye nyina ye tie som. E mama bambuye.
Vengeance is of the Lord.
But nyame tuaka o.
Oh yeah, ntina megan.
Vengeance is of the Lord.
Vengeance is of the Lord.
But I would just want to thank two people.
Yeah.
Oma Hene Kwabra Sante.
Yeah.
Adom TV, Adom FM, and Akosi Agwabuaje. And of course you. Tell me about sorry how Otonyo Mami Diasa.
I don't want to tell you media.
Yeah. Any PSA na me buy onyanka sorry who say me nchire be batote ya. But on the brighter side of life, I don't know. There's a birthday wish here. Nasa birthday wish it is emanating from Sarfo Kantanka. Hey, I feel now we are on Sasi.
On one at the buy.
And I'm Sarfo so.
On one at the buy.
Lance Corporal. Lance Corporal Evelyn Mensah. Our Sunyani Barracks. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you, sweetheart. We wish you God's blessings, prosperity, good health, and above all, may you be soaked into the grace of God. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And I know it's coming from a friend who communicates for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. You know him. It's for the reason why you are being placed on our screen today. So, Asampaitia, happy birthday. One shall not make a trash your pack.
As a mercy.
Trash your pack.
As a member,
me trash your pack.
Baby, I would do not a festival.
Me trash your no.
Me enter.
Yo.
And they could enter us here.
And then Holy Wednesday. Happy birthday to you, sweetheart.
Hey, bro.
Patu.
You. And no good that contrast here. Oh, there be good at the interest. And trash there be.
Me a bad one. Me a bad man.
Drink as ever go.
Now me interviews. And
I make a
to me. I don't drink as a. To me, I don't be a tom kumkrum.
As some baby, I'll be so ya chamber.
As I mean, minimans and also.
Tell us all back. I'm so different.
I didn't just say that to say.
SOMPA FM.
SOMPA FM Darcy. You're always there for us.
Yeah.
Whether through thick or thin, you are there for us. God bless you so much. So we're Basari. Basari. Sorry, no.
Yeah, me a Basari.
Aha, I don't know. I mean, because a Basari. Basari, yeah, because I know some fun as a so you're Basari. Presbyterian. Oh, okay. But me who soon
one of the dominated churches in Kapim.
But me who soon we are saying, one check. Call and check. Call. Never be Tibia baby free.
Burum.
Oh, Poponoso. Any place and battle hey, South African hey. I didn't know I share what to say.
Oh, Nyanko Pando.
Bibi I come out there.
You go so kakran. I can say so far so good. My main first said I'm President Mahama. Na member na baso. So say otene frase. Say o de adwuma bi ma na wonte adwuma ne frase a. E ma obre. In terms of delivery.
Sure.
But President Mahama amagana fo hu say wonga wonya confidence wonimu. Eto aba ma no. Wonga nyam fom so. Jesan say afie twam sabri na yebo dollar so ya na mbo bra amansan do donara pesika fufuru to say dollar he do the akra ne amaba nti eba sa na demand na sorry dollar ne so no e was sure see the no pressure on so na man home so
sure
then rametize na union no ma what the other side of the political divide no claim say easy say obetimi aye nia NDC ye no be say ntina
no almost say
easy sa na 19 fia wotwe ye hu ano dey under the administration na ya call for over the years say ye ma sidi na ho den enyin no sidi mpaje de ambe no di oni aduan bi no ga so say first aduan ni man ye na mum ne ehia se Ghana ye betime de ye nneema ye nya wa ha I export akwa amanone akoton na de dollars do aba omanum enti pajo gold se ka Ghana ye ne aye kase ye betime a balance trade ne ye nya sika de abegu system num unlike say ye be kwakoje bosia ne de aba begu ho do obi pe bia fa de aman say obese enye magic ne bibie hu bisa na mum sebe o chana mpenfu kan wo se wosoma obanyansani na mum wonsoma na montintin enti ma memfa nchie mu eden ma wahwefo nso
yeah
me da se
ahwefo na tiefo nyina da wase but somebody just wrote your comment section that say the NDC cannot win the fight against Galamsey because it's taking them too long.
Wow.
Yes. Also, Muntimi fight Galamsey.
Also a friend then.
Is it Piara? Piaga.
Yampacho sa awura ina ayata kasa ma MPP funana. That is obi frechechi MPP mpanfu bi ni ade. Ayo no ade.
Debi. Your comments are Piaga so.
Ono so ties send messages pa then why ye. But also be a political background say e be your support to party A na party B.
Boni bi
eni hu say ono so party foforo. Na mom say o ha obi ba na eyo hawa edo man ni nyina akoma mansan koma o mom pai say me ma ni nyeye na manya bi aka nti me sre mi nuan say on fi ase hu no sa say enye party bi na etuase na party bi ntuase ya tra sa level no e bia ye do no your how nti na ye to aba yi obi say o medi enanim kosi na ahia challenges beba but challenges na ba na ebe ya obetimi aso challenges na no ena me yetimi ka so ampa bangi wa ye wa bono homoden ana bangi de wa bono wa ora Galamsey fight are winnable. Very winnable.
But say winnable. What can very simply? But why is it taking time?
Winnable.
I don't know. It take time for your government to win the fight.
But your timeline then.
Timeline man, how can one?
They take it time. No, maybe I take it time.
But some about being much. Maybe 9 months, 10 months.
Really?
Yes.
Na infantu can kabia. Edibeye 20 years or more.
So is that supposed to mean say we need more years to fight Galamsey?
So easier. Say Sabri ne fiase. And I'm a boy.
But say they okay say simply winnable.
I'm telling you say a winnable.
Are you sure?
Fantastic.
Ghana
Why not?
Ekwan ben so ne befa.
Ne di kan ne say say aban owo so bia nya political will.
Ene di kan. Political will.
Say adi yeri tuase yesi wa no because of A, B or Z consequences are at the bro man no.
Okay, so let's consider the first. Political will, more by no was our will now, or pepano.
Absolutely.
How is it demonstrated?
Good. You say abang or was no. Then na waka fa ho. Kalam say no. Then anamon na otu. Okay? Utu anamon no BBC na involve nipa bia quote on unquote. Wo na ben ma anamon ben no tu fa ho. The swiftness. We just suppose a note to what happened yesterday. Maybe I make. What say sebi on pen? Say so nyansa ni bia wonam now we were three and I will sleep. Now ko hwe ase. First thing is also ra obeka ko say den na me nan si so a eyi me ko hwe ase no. But just when say anything.
Yeah.
Nti be say den na esi. Nti da bia no yakasa do be bia. Won say be kwen achi kakra. I na bi no nya comfortable with it. I agree with them. Or nya comfortable. But as I see a chere ne abesim ko na fe ye hu say den ye ya ye bit man na sronko e be sesa from finia ye na no ne ho because you cannot do the same thing all the time and expect different results. At the corona means you so corona na obenya nti ehefa na nkoyi den ne yemfa nka ho. All right, maybe abesim ko no Ghana for you now declare one support for the fight against Galamsey. Abang also onya every support that from the media, from the general public, everybody. Because I bring the political party be no bit as sticking in neck out because they made them pene Galamsey fight na so. But that's what I say because na a suicide for any political party to do that. And to be our support say. But I could do baby no then the film by. The film ban is a nipa bi and I'm my hokwan.
They hadn't the political will.
The Nekufado could have the best idea, the best will. But nipa bi a wona ben man peneso.
But I know
Revelation says Abri no men kai nebusuya yaw. Say John no nyina no wonti e kan won bi. According to Ura Erasmus. Dr. Frempong Boatin di by. But President Mahama Abrisui, then na yehu. Otia then nesi.
I want us to establish abanya etwemu koye no na omuni political will to fight Galamsey.
No money. Sana mimi hunene.
Sana hunu.
Yeah.
Okay, that was way.
And I'm convinced with that. Because it could do be na say we are we say young kuntia Galamsey fight. Na o relax mrebi. My man for to me nya kwan bura kwa ibretu mu. Ayo how kese. To the extent be do baby man panyin mu na sabi yo ya reverend o na your magnity. Now ko a spokesperson for a private company. Eco defending them or a bigger platform so what shows the political world.
I can't mining who
absolutely so. Come be boss. I mean, but now have you know I'm this year. Dr. Frempong Boatin some of Bekan wa bonting. You miss a munia na nya no kware. Ye TB Western region a parliamentary candidate. Incite small scale miners against Sabredum task force ana abang na establish. Ye tin Western regional minister then e ka fa homes bio. But now,
just like the essence,
the essence, I'm going to okay.
Oh, 9 was why I assault or more. Yes,
which is condemnable by our standard. So now, I established that there's the political will there. We move to the next stage. Because President Mahama, there's no doubt that we need political will to fight this thing. No. Or what? Ayampa. Neni abre on SOMPA FM. Yanya minister or the will enough to fight because Odunkasa nsuya onum affected. When you try bridge, where do you lembele? Nti na rebi ameka say oni bibi foforo bi obeye simple oman ne se yem prenso kra na onya na nse ya ono de se otimi siwa no so what as nti wenya sa minister no wenya ne aboafo menua yeba baby bi wa ehia pa eye se omanfo no amanfo so behu hawa ewo mining na ye yenum anya mining nyina o ye ka illegal mining ntu wonsum ansa obetu na se onya license ansa efe nkokwa ibretu mu nkonkotu wo license abang de amawa ankeye but nya ye kan nyina ya afemu dawo but the escalation of it but be a cost regensem ne sanko enye chibio because abanga obesen kwe no my license over 2,000 licenses boni bi enim so yes ah na mo bia ya mfom so kese no how more man they say ye di achi ko hwe say license na ye di amani pa ko no na sese wode ye en wode ya na sente sa dia then niama nkoyi because what the license na mamia eno nche say hwa na esi ye wo agencies a obehwe say ni ayeye so ye dem to the council no talks about licensing regime ampa mi pay wa fa bibia mu ye jatum say obetimi aye responsible mining na to subio e nananom se benya nananom ahemfo abura se yentu galama se asia me nyanka enkoye how kese because krobia wowura
to be jatum se nananom a e wo Ghana ha omudi omamu ne hwambo when it comes to the fight against galamsey
yi menye quick to judge anybody because we still need that cooperation
and you feel say the cooperation that lapses. You need
lapses until I'm making yeah ngechi I was hankoyi ne mankoyi bi na mboboso yi because nananom kaso betimi asiwa no a wo role as o play obi the license be fin kran aba sebe ekura na se kusi na ahia obeba na nanim inti president Mahama can say be in opposition I think say miracle nanim no ye hwe ne revisit say licensing regime no obema na nanom role to play in it
then mobile
mpacho say mema o license kotu agudi we bri na ewo mu say ansa o license be di mun na na dwankwasi tobo be nso de nsa be hye krata asibia den na ebeka ko ba say
enim
metio den na be ba say na beka so minim ho hwe because we are custodian of the land even though a good in a was assassin when you bang then assassin in your bang there so when him sa
minim pa
into at the same asebi obi abeje wasase na wasidan asisu na also man so abenti ni ba ko no wuje wasase ntompe ba bi mfa ne dan no nkonkosi ebe yiza
enye
ha it is an anamo wakakra bi a won so wode won sabehyen kratase to certify sampa mejatum say nipa yi won kratase nyina wie mu di no ebe wie ha nso me de ha hya ase bi we involved inti no yentimi nkobo na nasobo say adan na nipa yi ba yi o say nsu na wo mram say nso say nsu no re say nsu na o hwe ne sa inti menia se nyina bejatum say eyoko a sabi o meten kran na misusu say galam say memeti popo izo emfa me ho na nne bia keka kon say wan hwe ne ya obeka koto ya food drink bi anom na ye galam say hunsu
SOMPA
o yare do ma shemu ma na kwakoto a obi ayi ne ho fima nyeye enti a winnable fight ye wo mra Ghana ha yetimi ahye mra say me nam na me hia o ni kwan se meka se me so ware sen wunti wo ka we fra otimi me stop on me you with him na matuako mre bia na me ni nti obetuma hu obi flashy car timpa onya mu aka so betena mu na so mra ma okwan so obetuma esade ni nti
obo me Sarfo nam na you small game
bi edokon pa ba mra ma okwan
that Range Rover bi o tripa say hey
so what you say unless you adwin say sabi you be ma Ghana ye jungle.
But Ghana so intimi nye jungle.
And it becomes the survivor of the fittest. We ga won hu ye den never survive. But we don't live in a jungle. Yeah, a rule of law. Inti mra wo manum. But so bi bunani gumra no so ba bi pe ena manema ejensem. Yeah, what rules and regulations are ever from a good too. Obi nka so obi nkotu. Ebi I mean interest or interest. But ansa no. So what you say?
To no ne kwan pa so.
Absolutely so. Obi nka so obi ntu. Na mom akwaje say men kan say pesa men kuminyo.
I don't know na me kan na.
Say den o.
Pesa men kuminya.
So what you say?
Ni bre ni beyi.
Ni bre wo won a wotu no.
Ni bre ni beyi.
Ni bre ma won a wotu na fam. So what you say? And nya atwom so wo yen manfo ntem. Because yes then na yen nyina zo yen tu galamse ase. Yen tu na nyame aya adom. No so won akiro bi o ye galamse wa. Metete kra no se be nukra do ye ofi manfo froso.
Yeah.
Inti Ghana ni we defend obi ofi manfo froso. Ese wunsu because mo na mo be ya immediate effect people. Immediate o. Wotu we na ese bibia mo na be affect him.
In fact, that no beti asem
na mo declare support for.
Me beti asem
no,
beti asem no. Hwidiem go so for ne sam potemo medium ho ya o. Yeah, medium ho ya pa.
Because I said you ko ba say nipa no na ohwe mu am okrom ho nyina.
There be.
Kakra bi na bia o benefit wo mu. Kakra bi. Enti a wake up call. Say yen nyina ye be hu. Hia say galamse ye betu ase na ka responsible mining. We can still do our mining order. Oh, all right. But responsibly. Oh, akwaya dua batabo. Koma ye di. Nitwa na. Because anka kwantie was your ban betimi afa so. Eni nansa. Obi antimi wura kwa ibiritu bi em.
Ba animu unim. Ebrebe twemo pa. Ye kasa soja for ba. Na ye dwane kiti. From 92 mo hoba to even year 2000. So ye bibi ana ekuo bi ye bibi. Ensem fatana posi for ko. Na posi for no entimi an stop no ye tise soja for ba. America sankrofo no ana ekukuo no be ko no. Enne womo etimi atene against yana soja for.
Be share dance science ayo.
Na ayeden
osuatra
you ko buso yeni
na ni oti ni esi wo ashama be fie bi
be 2-3 years me kai pa soja ni bi na omukun na soja for the tc ho no
amanfo na ntimi ani soja fo no so me pa to se onum sa nti eda so tenete na mo be bia ya du prempren ye democracy inti ofre bibi
obasesa times so dey democratic
yeah me chira sa me say ni esi no anya manfo na di soja fo no so nya sha manfo no
there be
ya nga ya ka ye won chen ye de ano because based on say you say it says what conduct won ho about the dispensation of democracy but what can ye bra na ye democracy so what I say
no, even in the democratic era, those times.
I know you overflow. What I say? Lapse kakra. From that dispensation, no, here basa democratic regime no. When the kakra by. You understand? Say you know, where you know, I say natural law, whatever you call it. Kala na fedia manako do kala bia foso. I don't cry nyehu sa.
Now
until we give them that authority.
Asuja for no.
Absolutely. Makachos ye wakwan bebre a ye bet ma fa so enu abosu masia e be jai na no the way forward nso here that is because sustainability ntinka yet ye ho ase me e be di mraso wo mining no ho a na nkan kwaye say da bia obi mesho bi from behind mpajo what you say because I don't never trap.
But any PSA, on a more serious note, a manufacturer be so hard drink, papa, both in NDC and in NPP.
Where then?
Almost hard drink.
Say then.
When it comes to Galamsey, almost hard drink.
Mami example na me.
Almost share a year and ranty and echi. Yen share Honorable Ebenezer Kwekuado Asemye by Bebiana Wamutu Galana Krano. Then your constituency. Wo uye mrache bedwani a ugina homa adehia wo esutifi north.
Yeah.
Esutifi south. Honorable Collins Dauda. ANM Peswaso. One who said 9 months 4 year operation. Then per the reports that we had, you had the guts and the effrontery.
You see,
say ube ko no wako catch mo say 9 months Colonel your friend is saying oh Colonel Buamo omunya.
You see, Merem Peme Huntem. Oh, I cannot hold brief for him. But what say story be and our narratives be I would tell me mention me TB from Erastus. But eventually me say na on no new obi.
It was a report.
A report. Because yasate Papa Nankasanso also need the oka.
But me who statement, no?
You understand?
Me need the lawyer crying interview.
And confirm near.
But even
Mami, one your man for intimacy. Na and collaborate with near Oyene Kano. Nsunegum. Maybe say a question, say now MPB bet me finish constituency. Akoye so popular to extend there. Obet me from manfo for them to respond within just some few space of time. Would that be possible? How popular no was our constituency? And your constituency?
According to reports,
can that be true? But then say police first are saying no way him.
Yeah. As we speak right now, some no assembly Libya.
Yes, our court.
Obama bill.
Yes. Nipa bebre akasetia. Me tell come empire bonne say ne de no kan nya no kware. Tieni. Because antisa ebe ensam foforo. Anyina ebe bambi.
SOMPA FM.
General monitor 50. It was on Saturday, right?
On Saturday.
We monitor NDC platform na. Ebufu show a core platform no so no. E switch any na woman.
Sir,
I am telling you. Ebufu pa because Nipa Bebre was a total betrayer of the cause of President Mahama. And the Ebufu Bebre pa. Intermaker say, me say ne den afeyema. Slow down kakra. Because I shot in a T-say Collins Dauda kra no ho. So bekaya.
Oh, the ATN and say na Collins Dauda.
Later part and say who ni Ghana ha.
Ni Ghana.
But what's your first narration now? That's no crack on me. Well, it's a year before man try. But wow, your mom pie. But me share baby or kono ye beti me am pejo makwa because ye need any other option. Ghana, ye need any other option. As I say, ye go illegal mining. And your mining. As I say, ye go illegal mining. Because there are so many ways you make my air mining responsibly. Yati. President Mahama train again one. Training BSC de mabinum. Ne kwa SFA. We can still win the fight. But they be no be jirancheng. Ono no hun say 20 years ago ntoka hono. Nanke ye de be abosime bin. No be say wo anka be ne den. Nya obejina ho bisa so mo kan kra mo opposition mo kan kra say one declare state of emergency but also the name origination TUC for na go for one asem buy TUC for Nessa Bang or also Sabridumono and declare state of emergency or my timeline. Sabana Nya Obeko industrial strike. Yes. Edu baby no and we're back down. Interior is even a call for that thing.
But some party opinion for no to be generous simple so can say Nanado and declare state of emergency.
Simple in a way.
Oh, platform. Now political platforms one can say Mumubia can say there should be a declaration of state of emergency. Party opinion for.
Oh, say later I may take them on them. Go on way mouthpiece. Yeah. Until when you casape, I will wait.
Oh,
and impatient. So unless I will didn't say. Yeah, campaign wo ebia suhum na semese na obenten gina platforms no kaini. Apart from that, the individual commentary. Some about now radio so na me kan. Enti no enyina ho my NDC.
Individual commentary.
Yes. Of NDC manifesto from cover to cover. Baby enim sa.
Mahwehwem enim.
Mo enti ade na kwa NDC asem.
But they are members of your party.
Members.
And they are members of the party.
A lot of people declare support for TUC call. And then one corner, a Sarfo, Roman for Sarfo be, well, yeah, walk.
An MPSC. From where you sit, we are Presbyterian in Mapa. In opposition. When you know, baby, and Kase. Another more and
maybe and I say what cash man because who can use NDC from the friend about baby some
oh any other question with
friend about baby some nothing be some man can almost bring the man can be sir one can be I have never been in support of Sadeno because bibia minia at the send on declare area be say hoye of road them one na when I impose curfew on a community, we knew pay bill. So what I say, we knew pay bill a bang and they determine. Obeka I say what declare COVID by no. Okay, some part of Greater Accra and Greater Kumasi.
Mekai.
Sana it ne form ne ekwakoyening. Inti we knew pay. Then SU exception be a nim. And I present mama sampa a bet me a option, but for now, me de to baby answer. Now my plan here available. I may for say a low hanging fruits. There may a duma, yenya cooperation of everybody. You bet me that solve a problem. No, so no ye there. Then I will think of applying that. O say there be na can preconception ya. Without taking into consideration the effects. Enti ye be ya man yosem ba me ade a na ye me den ni say won kan se bi na me kan hye wa eno na mmoa ye obebra e betimi aka a kire adwen agye hu akinye ba na me kan ye no kan hye ma no NDC manifesto won hu anu wom Ghana fo binom NDC a won so support to TUC score Ghana fo binom NDC a ebi kura no wa ya asofo a won Roman fo koye or friend then so okay vigil be our against that. Ain't fine mpacho NDC for ebi ni TUC
ebio
and this will be kokaya and only NDC nyina as a body in a kind there be.
All right, so just to add to what you are saying, I remember say na mi aminu asami jenfi na omo granting the interview baby. What he did say was that while some individuals within the NDC may have supported calls for the state of emergency over illegal mining galamsey, the NDC, as a corporate entity,
absolutely
never endorsed it or issued any official statement in support of that.
Yeah, demonstrations are horrible. You will do press are horrible in opposition. It's easy for us to do it. But nti unsan chechire mfanche nkon say yimisusu say mehwe wenima na nka onya obeka 19 ma menka say kan by force na ye na ya are we looking for solution or we are looking for a way of maybe getting at somebody? And I don't think say no beboa say okono minia Cain menace.
Yeah, menace no.
It took America a lot, both resources and a whole lot. ansana ultimate brass kakra enumpo so what I say enti ade I involve ska and when can adding but me di me say see ebenya the commitment because one obi she kwabire tu bi mu yet ye ni mo but obi kwafu mo hu the go na fu ben hope insu na fi asese
yeah
nso so there be yen rankran ne me blame obi nka ho so de wo mu ne say uyi police fasuti wa nke be men kan twa men fa ntumi ho ebi sha ase osu hum ha ya
galamsey no
the nipa ne yanam so on twa on record nonsense nembre na me say onko bosu police for amani me need permission to be moding obo ngamane na me de nkomo no call police headquarters utu hu ana mo fefefe esi u no ti nyina wo kakra aye biti me di aboa ye tenkran o enso ye kan ye nga ye de be gya chinyen ye hu nipa bi ko ye nyina wo nkurase
FM
anya bebia wo fia bebia wa fu bi da bebia wo ye de kwato ana wo ase ana hu nipa bi e ko fa ne ma bankran beton ko si na ahia e be kan ye nyina ye kase de be party sem a e be do baby na ye bebia o so what you say your kwa ese ye tu ase hwi no je say ye nkwa na galamsey no enkoso me ya sure so bi was ade no ho adwen won e tu na gasa kra nim say ebrere so say ade no na wie reba
yeah
they go many reports bi a bebre na operators ni bi afi site
you know
abase masa adwuma no bi ekeka kono de say ayi hu
di agro ebe chew
ha bebre ampani ampa na ano ye hui ankobra eni e TV so last week or 2 weeks ago UTV eni sa time no na me hwa aye great say more body hu even though enye blue ye no as at that time no so I say aye grey meaning say niema resesa nti ye be ma ye ho be ya mfie abien no bia ni be brose ye bitu ase amina anina erinina ye betimi aye nti a winnable fight
Abusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country and I never asugusu a wutie na kai say you when you maku ahodo bi a wo maso ya sene ne senti no dwumadie ye de ebrewo na mamem stress monfa mreka kra emfam na menda say dwumaku ni nyina edi emfa mamo de edika no aye time herbal mixture makachro say aye ahoban boy dro kese pa wa wenya malaria fever say wenya aye typhoid me pato wedruane aye time herbal mixture we no mato a wontimi ndidi time herbal mixture be ka wasema ma na sa hye nso bio say wonam yina ye wo ya aye time ena be bo pa we do any chire drugstore pharmacy shop bia ben obia de ahon sa be ka Electroland Ghana Limited for so asene entina busua o here electronics papa bia to de a aye Electroland Ghana Limited e hona kwa benye electronics muma pa aye kama say your media product say your Samsung product TCL product ebusua aye Electroland Ghana Limited say obamoding now we any chire one showrooms ewo Techiman Kumasi Accra Sunyani Mankesim Cape Coast Takrade and Tamalea obetimi anya TV a eye papa wuto a ebechere ama air condition fridges washing machines kettle rice cookers microwave ni blenders there obamoding everywhere ni chire Electroland Ghana Limited for Australia obenya Kumasi obecha kwan ewo Kasi Junction and a Tech Junction na wa water chima na busunya hye no so say ubenya Electroland for ewo bia ewo Kumasi station in Chenghwa so won kran a bomodin na for when chira dental barrier dan suman roundabout industrial area bia na Melcom Plus leading hwere mo wo Sunyani Mankesim Cape Coast Takrade and Tamalea they have stores all over. You can call 0245 94 9495 0245 94 9495. Electroland Ghana Limited, we want to say a big thank you for always being with us. Nasakai, you said, yeah, well, Medima for Herbal Center. Dr. Time Daso, Dr. Papa. Ebusi ultimate Ghana, o yare kwankro. Say, you now, wo bre, prostrate yadi, a hard dream pa. and then we check my blood pressure. Come here, me yashe me kakra. Me bacho me di ma for herbal center. Ewo ho. Se wa kra no brebo mu nsem. Ana wonya yade bi wa ko yade no ntimi nko. Etri di yade se ye malaria. Me bacho bo modern pa. Me di ma for herbal center. Dr. Time da so. Ubetimi afre no 0244 774282 0500 727215. So hwe no won kran ha. The chia kwan ewo pokuase Maira na Kumase a mo agogo bia na Gama school di hwe no. Dr. Time da so or say the Lord is our ultimate healer. Masaka chiro say enum kankan wo hoi eyade a ha dwen ye pa. Enum kankan wo hoi enum kankan ni nyina eyenum kuro. So obekum wenum kuro a bomodina pe yacht toothpaste and a yacht toothbrush. O seno sa wonum coffee and I wonum jot and I'm power besen now sending in a hair browner. Obetimi abomodin akope yacht toothpaste ne do toothbrush and no ene betimi akwaji aboa wo bomodin ahwe omachi akwan e wo supermarket bia obewure mu bia we do ra also be pe yacht toothpaste and then a brush me ba cho mo ya oboye ntafo no monam enti uto yacht toothpaste akai say obenya ne brush no bi edi aka ho na wo de ka ho a ene betimi aye dwuma na ye ama kama and crime so ope bi etu atonga number be phrase so 050-161-9588 so Kumase a 050-1390-338 na sa shenu subio se Kasa natural mineral water and so we de onoma isese ni pedua ema wo ni pedua na ni ye kama enuane dro abomo be enti pa so to make na wie na ubehia nsu a mo benum wo fie as ebusua Kasa natural mineral water ye won sachet de wo ho ye won ne to amudie so wo ho na sa kai bio se ukodwama nso be bia ebi wo ho enti wo ye yie se wo ye party bi anasa wo ye wedding bia remember nsu a wo so mo pe de cha kwan eye Kasa natural mineral water Casaloma Ventures for 020-6469-430. Again, call them on 030-396-5780. Again, 030-396-5780. So I'll show you quite a one crying ya. One more ewo Taifa Bia ewo back hospital Nechiwa Kasa natural mineral water. For it is so refreshing. When you makubia or maso asana ne yede for God encounter jumadieno bremo na endi che yenhwe na yenkotie dia bag bin kai na la yembra na me tie eye menu anim piesie on what the Speaker of Parliament Alban Sumana Bagbin said this afternoon.
The report of attacks on a team from the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat, a task force which we all know has been established to combat illegal mining activities in the country, is most worrying. Also worrying is the fact that the attack was allegedly incited by one of our own, the Member of Parliament for Asitifi North constituency, Honorable Ebenezer Kwekuado, who further ropes in a senior member of this House, Honorable Collins Dauda. While I'm yet to be fully briefed on the matter, I want to take this opportunity to condemn in no uncertain terms the attack on the team of security officers who have been assigned to help deal with the menace of Galamsey, which has to be dealt with robustly. I have therefore instructed the Office of the Clerk and the Legal Services Office to provide all the needed support to the investigation by the Ghana Police Service within the framework of the 1992 Constitution, the laws of this country. The report of attacks on a team from the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat, a task force which we all know has been established to combat illegal mining activities in the country, is most worrying. Also worrying is the fact that the attack was allegedly incited by one of our own, the Member of Parliament for Asitifi North constituency, Honorable Ebenezer Kwekuado, who further ropes in a senior member of this House, Honorable Collins Dauda. While I'm yet to be fully briefed on the matter, I want to take this opportunity
SOMPA FM
to condemn in no uncertain terms the attack on the team of security officers who have been assigned to help deal with the menace of Galamsey, which has to be dealt with robustly. I have therefore instructed the Office of the Clerk and the Legal Services Office to provide all the needed support to the investigation by the Ghana Police Service within the framework of the 1992 Constitution, the laws of this country, and the standing orders of the House.
All right, so the laws of this country and the standing orders of the House shall apply. The Speaker of Parliament, Ghana's, is it 10th Parliament?
I think
ninth Parliament. I want you to fast forward. So what you know?
Yes. Now, I don't natural commitment, you know, because when you're president, I would say many abre made to say, men shield you be a we NDC ni now ye den ha. Metem kwanda America, my mom ran away. Or shall see fee ni ayeti fee minus be ho against young third vice national vice chairman Ora Banga and Ora Yamin, young national organizer. One allegation now what the board on interest no mining or them also one form illegal tax force. And also even though we are fighting Galamsey, you know, to that per the rules on or the laws of the land, a illegal tax force. I know one allegation what they buy, but that's why we are aware of that. We're on top of that issue, you know. President, let me move him. Why not Attorney General? Can we him? What am I Yuko? So nearby, no saying,
yeah,
and already, MP, no, or police station. I want you him on a money bill, inquiry bill. What they are not to what? When you're the number 3, Speaker of Parliament. Ejunasuaka said, we MP. Now the one just had them and a yadi tiamra. Men shall do. Men kase a minute bu homau. Major osa. Nam running wakakudi. Pepe. It is a nyamia. I don't know. Yenya sa. Oh, yena na mekano. The political will. Now we have it. Nti yerko enim. Even though yentu asim ye no. So I say one leg are you here to do the battle.
SOMPA FM.
It is the presidency on she'll do be then appointee because she'll do be. Because you'll be doing that thing at your own peril, at the expense of your job. President Mahama, I want the appointee be then nkomo bi kakra ne hia wa ha.
Nkomo benga.
Nkomo ne say Ghana yentia mining nyina o.
Yetia
illegal mining.
Eno na ye Galamsey no.
Mo eno ye mu ne ye wen.
Dia obeya
only license.
Uni nkrata bi a kire say.
Ne atusu abie no ye wonsum. Wo license now ye wonsum a illegality. Force and illegality. small scale miner wonni kwan say ura kwa bretum who license na kwa illegal operation.
Oh, but say no there. As we speak now, no, that LI has not been repealed. And I'm a boy. 24/6.
We refu hu kakra. Abangin just said watutu mu kra wie. It's we year fi kra wie.
Na say completely.
It's okra de nya dadwin biom.
Aha.
Na mpo samra no wo ho no. Na small scale miner when you qualify under the law. Mran wo ho no to me president to me my baby say kon we a small scale miner one cancer category no. Oh you sanity. It is small scale miner they a no go area. Untimi mine wo forest no.
But so how come we
there unya krata.
But so how come says LI no might be more kwan more multimedia
because minister in charge of lands and natural resources former Urabu Yinapo Ba Bontembe can say near won't to me no or need license to do it because on follow under that category and a new montumon a big if you know Obama on sa waiver no under the president's directive and as a new authorization. And the small scale miner be under no circumstance. He no more qualified to go there and do it. As I was a school year boys school. Now also may you be a miss or be may you be a bermenti many a thing me whom me features or bermenti. Yamako. Ye. I no. And to home make us say you're to an among be. We need everybody on board. So what can you read your friend Lester Matthias?
Yeah, I remember that name.
The ding. What comes into mind? No, I don't know. Al
Jazeera. Make I say only Johnny Hughes correspondence be on some issue.
It's about illegal mining.
I remember. I remember.
The president in the
I remember.
Americans say we are moving on now. We are moving away from certain things. What I say? Ya kaya baby ayi fiba. But praying and just sana. Ya recording ye new ye. Ba yen san ye echi ye. Ye ko. Nti mebo 9 months for no so abaso. Se won aba mu ye. Because nre ya won aka che Chinese wo be song. E wo ya evaluate
adwura side o.
Enya adwura o. Evaluate adwura.
And also
Western region. So I say, Wokusu Yejumano, and I thank God for their lives. Say, Bibisa, Sebi, you a man home wrestle, ewo, friend and grown up, baby, I say, Miss of Rodden, feed him. Na, I'm my uncle D out, Senia, Major Mahamade,
because it could have happened.
True, it could have happened.
It could have happened.
And see, I have a strong man for the say. And kaye mukra mumuna mobe boa no but san komo aye di nso me stress ye be nya botre kakra because aban no wo opepa se omemunga ye hwehwem because anhwe ya ye be pray ho akoka nsem bi ye betima pray ho akọ akauzi ni ba bia e bi pa na nka wonni force asem nem ye misa say e bi asa ho no asem bi se wo so bi atimi anya sa kokuduru bone no say ono de obetu galamsey e wo kwan ho.
Now is the problem now is with the say we incite the community against
also maybe say question me say MP any tradition obetimi anya sa power no so what I say to mobilize within a short period of time then it just no ye mean hold maybe some questions so
I know you are only
asking because any constituency name and I don't know what to feel them na e Americaso enti assemblyman bidding wom ono no den no ye fa ho e bi ani pa kono so na frɛ krom ho sɛ wonya na me baba me di ya oni sɛ kromanfo campaign fo bu baby sɛ eti nka anka nkyerɛ sɛ abontenso for mefanko. But what is that Beneda? In an illegality.
For now, we can't say, sir, illegality because
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we can't say, sir, illegality.
If you only say, people are no license.
Yes, it's only the Minerals Commission, the Minerals Commission, and the lands, and natural resources.
Ourselves, kill ourselves for, such character. But all the same, you go say him. Ntimi ano na emedije. One shield will be aye. You move away from Kangna. Nankobaka so or your party benti. Party here scanninty. Your man in your say. What I say? And come mobi say ye bobi so bossa ya traho. But ya the totonwa say. Ya da sujina baby jina na ya buying echi. And now ya ritu and amako in him. That's why I brought in all these things.
Sure.
Inti yen na yen sum. Wonsum. So any nipa. Abang wana famede. Omanfo ye wanga famede. Nananum ye wanga famede. Because yaribi be fa galamse so abensum. The immediate people are best of first. Aye wanga wo sa
enclave
no. And we should all ebi hu sa de say ase ye ka but ye nche da hu ye. Until now ni na me hu abofra bi a wanga wo na only limbs ni ho ni ho I think mu mfoni no social media enti bibi sa wo but yenya first hand experience of how the whole thing looks like enti akoye we say we kra no say we say but eyade it is me in a brain because one what tunsu no diverting su na say nsu to
they be ayeto but we are not patriotic. You're patriotic.
Anyway.
You know your mind. Pato mind you know your mind. We don't
know. Man can go to galamse wonsum.
It is sad.
En fa chemicals in mum. En man krofo en yare. Sane ye papa kan nim pese kan. Wasi wo hu bi. Akora ya wo na woni nan. Eno na mo pese o man yekum. Esu na Yesu ni dos o man panin. Te Yesu. Na de krofo kan disu mayen. Because yen yaba sebio and ye two ye person we ye mayen
utu abama.
Oh, that me
citizen.
Your man papa. Ono so wo say another my yen one to my yen so to make na ma bia me pese me kesi here me nia who say ye kan constituency bi Uti constituency bi hun common edi.
Yeah.
District bi hun common edi.
No crepa.
It where I fresh say yen declare state of emergency no. Assembly o ntimi nya adwuma bi o. Won a wo ye adwuma o hon. Won a wo ton ne ma wo gua so. State of emergency no. Me I came me say osro man pen say no wo se won yen. Ne wo se won yen nti won ato aba ma ban. So be up and obenya governance
SOMPA FM.
But a bang no so behwe no ahwe na anu ya dollar ba from do baby ma be anga say ye hu say ebinom so ho kire o because what the scan cotton ya man fi amano no obeton a asemo so what be ma cotton a and also obeboka that's all your friend economic management inti ubehwe say a hack of form na hanso aye say what the baby pendulum and a scale what is we are the edu baby a bon say baby you droop na baby nso kosoro nti esesa aban o woso no hwese eyi de ye di ni fetch anke ebe but in real terms in reality eno bon betima kofa or how foforo they are broman for sabi won nim hwe fagalam say ho but just by virtue say what is our constituency and all the same district inti ni aye keni se yema mampanyin so yentena se no bibia anya na famede wonhu a yina mosasotiri one phone numbers nyena ana me boase mo bobo bizo bia
oh yeah
o free radio station say so ni baby crash ha no why say mo midin station betimi a contact police station e ben won so be liaise to 9 months nyina yen talk I have said it, say a winnable battle. You would a bit man immediately bit maswano. Now so Kusina here as I will left ban no.
Yeah.
Well left here. What next? What next? Ebe, I have hope. So far.
But what it?
The political will.
Oh yeah, the political will no.
But hey, NDC for so kunya be na mu yia. Say inflation had dropped to 8%.
Absolutely.
In October. Lowest in over 4 years.
Anya no anya kasa keke.
Sompa FM.
But unim.
Yeah, nya fora.
There
be. We still are no yeah take rise in this.
There be.
That's not our
NPC. Unim sometimes some of our state institutions, the appointment of its head must be mutually exclusive of political underhand dealings. Because Ghana Statistical Service aban beko biano or the need beko aban be biano or the need beba
enten sisa
but what happens
is political appointment
no and the political appointment but that was why I said political underhand dealings.
Mami knew how in the point is prim and yeah statistical service director no kwa no hwade no.
He's the head.
IMF there. Yeah, no one dins thousands once so heavy. It won't mean for voodoo, statistics be a metro abonting. No carry him. IMF for there. Until when him day to day running of the economy, they understand it better. Until any one neighbor man, Maureen Fisade no. Until near what figure near one, a crojeng and several ubia interest. Several among Ghana.
So sometimes I sit down and say, how come all of a sudden
me na men can't trust it. We thought say a be a near big goal, but not as
quick as it is.
Thank you.
We'll take you over now. Inflation, you're saying
it was around 23%. It was around 23%.
Is it was it 21.3 or
no 23? A figure. I may not get it right, but it was above 20. Na san komonunia senkai na menu bi wa hana ono so the other side yakoho kakra no na me pese me sade no e be se na oni ha na oka guno so wo be hwe forma na inflation in 2016 was 15.3 we are aware it is a kwa could do 54.3% hyper obi na de koi
Aboriginal 23.8%.
Absolutely.
23.8%.
Yeah, 23.8.
Sure. My figures they anye ye kura nkakra ebe ho. So
yeah, so
I don't know friend amemu papa.
We dem kunya ba o.
Na woni ma de ba kon so ni kan say we be economic indices. So inflation no money.
Yeah, I know.
Friend then ninya no make ka
bank rate ne sa na ma no.
You are not no no won't mean say sano. Did be make say what your economic debater enya ntietim. The figures are there. In FNDC headquarters and NPP headquarters. If you Ghana Statistical Service, Bank of Ghana collaborate. What do I say? Ministry of Finance collaborate. And I can't cry now in Yobakaya. Ghana, if you be near Bobra, if you be to the extent that World Bank ni IMF cried me appointee overhead, superior authorities. Monkwatra Bank of Ghana, so now monitor say, Wabayan Yana. But was okay, pa.
I remember.
A business finance. As if Ghana said, you won't call before, you better to any mafa. Oh, na near candidate that chamber become once. Yaba become once. You better compare, ne? Will be anti mean yes, I didn't fear. We'll compare and contrast. Just based off it, or figures in their casa, and yen this in your casa, and yen team. Kaya figures, but nani am fair no amba. Nyanunti. Come by na many a Joe meeting, but I decided not to. Tell me muscle cry. Na kwezi wa betina hana. Okay, maybe TOB. But so far so good. Your mom pie ma. Yeah. Your mom pie ma. Amount for be so abandon spend it wisely. A targeted.
Almost spend it then.
Abang spend it,
but almost spend it then.
Mpacho wisely.
Until that just abang a trim muko any day.
And cancer, any owner.
Debut, but that's a deduction.
That is the call.
It's a deduction I'm making.
That is the call. And so a prudent management.
They were not prudent enough.
And come yanko ye baby ya no bra. Nti ya mom pai mom na yensre nyankopon ni me die nya hoden ma president Mahama ne team.
Enim PSC.
See the name it cities. We are where?
Oh yeah, na me name.
Yeah, now 390. Them fan say 4 cities. Now we say then ti kwa could do 16 plus. Ye nya yanke wo baby e won. But this all ya nkakra o dan nkakra say be ya ne ono so eto ne ma de kwa ma no ne a ubenya forex exception no. Ono so nko boka na ne bankers nso ma ne ho nkɔkyerɛ nti yɛ dan nkakra
ɛti akase di nkra de munya yɛ kra to the dollar nkra wa hwɛ be ba 5
Ghana ni bi anya 1 to 1 ankɔpɛ
but one
so dendra because nneɛma ɛwɔ ama no ne wɔn to so saayɛ for so many years baby gyina o hwɛ paper mu a bonza ama no ne kaa bi also $3,000. Won't who be $2,500. Still, unya down now the best. Oh, say come cry meeting near to be. What you say?
It goes worth $20 not to be.
Nothing can you sa. But I just said I went to attack Mary.
Only number. Yeah.
Pato,
Prof.
Say,
my main for years and I mean chill rebel or hitman. Minchia no.
Unim
sentini say mo say techiman futie
ya. NPS unim hitman.
Oh, meaning hitman pa.
Emmanuel Kwashi.
Yeah. O na ne din come business NPS. Anga be rafo no ba.
Afore aleke afora ba. Emmanuel Kwashi ba. Yeah, NDC. Yeah,
Oba crab check.
Yeah, NDC do na NDC. Ono worry NDC. Hey!
Oba check.
So Oba crab from you na meaning.
I don't cry the check.
And also ba here friend is saying.
Oba
is it hot? Yeah.
Those times no yeah Saturday programs very hot. Bibi and Sabanum. Mekai. Hello care. Yeah, communication actually. I'm telling you.
Hey, what about you? Hello, okay.
Baby, Obia, Michiano.
Hey, we are
so I shan't.
Hello, okay.
I shan't.
Hey, those times, yeah, Ashanti. Hello, okay.
Bobby and Sano.
But
there's this guy I'm meeting in Kanche.
Why?
Near friend Jagbele. Ampon. Is it Bibi Sampon? NPP.
Baby Kai.
Nansan meeting in Kanche.
Jagbele.
Oh, the Bibi Ampon.
I come go anim.
Baby Obia Michiano. Was made that was it. Umra them. And woman I 101 target area.
What can the overcome? Said the Etieno. BGDP say Chief Wate. You know, you have a corner dying one basis.
Economy day, Yanko Pandum.
Economy never found us. Oh, the deal. Uri, Sana know your call a year Kaneshi. Enim. Your call Kaneshi market.
What is that Iron Ross Bonanza?
Debbie.
Miniakohe. A bed thing say, a bed do 7,000 per ton. 9,000 something. Check it. And your mom was say, well, yeah, 6,000.
But say now no, you call Kaneshi. There a man yen war honomono.
And can you be
a papa? Can
you be a penny?
Now, branch be so.
Yes, the NDC.
I'm July. We need some video now. Some video no. Be
Every say Ghana ni be a home beton.
Sa video no pa
de na Ghana san go back to the hono adai so no. The only problem as you say ka say raising ugly hair die galamsey. O dey no to nchenga niema
come on so honso no mananka.
Oh yeah, no say jai dia. Na medical control say
ya say Ghana for can I say much.
Oh,
because promise I'm more than my some within the first 120 days.
We this all call for me so how pa.
Oh, because me I as a jungle warfare. Na ke boy me na say ye no bremu. Achinkwa na no bremu. And na bremu sa achinkwa.
This one ma achinkwa no dey.
David say achinkwa ya no mai.
I'm sure mobile phone cover this and David a massive mobile.
The report of attacks on a team from the National Anti-Illegal Mining Operations Secretariat, a task force which we all know has been established to combat illegal mining activities in the country, is most worrying. Also worrying is the fact that the attack was allegedly incited by one of our own, the Member of Parliament for Asitifi North constituency, Honorable Ebenezer Kwekuado, who further ropes in a senior member of this House, Honorable Collins Dauda. While I'm yet to be fully briefed on the matter, I want to take this opportunity to condemn in no uncertain terms the attack on the team of security officers who have been assigned to help deal with the menace of Galamsey, which has to be dealt with robustly. I have therefore instructed the Office of the Clerk and the Legal Services Office to provide all the needed support to the investigation by the Ghana Police Service within the framework of the 1992 Constitution, the laws of this country, and the standing orders of the House.
Yeah, but sorry, I'm a hot bite news about it. So now, quickly,
oh, me I made the chat to ye. Obi say dey na President Mahama timi am economy na ejina ntem.
Yeah.
Na me twa adwen say ahobrase wa memu hia pa. Because because say we share that President Mahama will do economic dialogue be.
Yeah, me kai pa.
Soon sansu be any near you hui. Or your team player. That was why 2016 near my year tougher. Was a kind of more than kind of boom. Okay, Sinchi.
I don't know, can be bossy.
Koye. Iti a additional Casema politician be a hobrase. Sana paying for kind of kunimti. President Mahama, etimi ye levy if you ho. Okay.
I remember.
I know na a panacea to every single solution. Where you in Ghana koso. Betting tax. Us we are Ghana for my friend na be na akofifo. Where yi? Nso ne na mi military your my friend apply for. Enti ya namuntu a esombo. Na nim se bibia si ne. Na me fa nwie.
All right.
Eye kwan a efi wenchi. Wa mo wenchi.
Wenchi ekwan.
Ekosi bole. Kosi sola. Kopem wa.
Hey.
And the President Mahama.
Or they are so above.
Or they are so above.
But I saw no the my
but when you this abreso. No. And okay, President Mahama the first time. What you need Commissioner General. And you ma why you are not commission. Jampi before crowd the two needing so wakota paswa to care when baby obedian no kotuja hamem.
I remember.
Oh yeah, Jumano. And that's the same person we have now. nti nyade a obeye nneema bi ontime nye ne o kan bia oyɛ se wafa akosomo kwan yi so from afienya ekwa
me fa wa check akra
me akɔhwɛ adwuma ekoso dual carriage na me wote ne kan big push kwan a afi ho
SOMPA FM
kosi ho efemua kosi jama flower baby nti adwuma bia rekoso na nti a wa kwan me pese me twa din so ne se e kwan a wo fin kran kwan na wotumi di 18 hours
oh there be na ye kra na ye fit chima na ye call one no we spent about 7 to 8 hours.
Yes. Obi to fi ha so ko America. Straight flight. Direct flight no. Obi do
na wunye nu ye. Ebi di 2 days wo kwan no so.
Adenti.
Madam for lawyer bi owowa na no ma ye nhyemude bi e won kran ha. Osa Abochi we spent 2 days on the road.
Too bad. So now launching year of roads. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Sika bebrebe ebo banyim. Oh, na sebe o sebe. Ade na ese Ghana ye